I'm gonna cook it medium. To be honest, I don't really measure anymore. I'm gonna use like half the bottle. Yeah, vitamin C gummies. What I just put in here was Worcestershire, half bottle Worcestershire, a little bit of balsamic, and a little bit of avocado oil. I haven't even taken it back yet. Alright, Dijon, honey, garlic, salt, naturally, pepper, more garlic powder because you can't help it, and onion powder. Also, I let that get room temp, by the way. Boring cook for you guys, because like now that I've done that to the meat, like potatoes are in the whatchamacallit, like kind of boring. But this has got to sit for a bit. My steak, I'm really proud of. My steak or my lemon bucatini, which I already have a video about that on. Because lemon bucatini, I basically combined 2 recipes together and then kind of did my own thing to it, and it's really, really good. This is my steak sitting in here. Hello, Memo. Hello. This is one of my favorite things that I own now. How long does lemon stay good in water? Traditionally, you would let this marinate in this for like a day, but I got time for that. Alright, I'm running out of patience. Let's make this fun. So I'm gonna broil it. Personally, I use avocado oil in everything. Salt and pepper. Look at my Star Wars bubs. Look at them. We're not bubbling right yet. We're almost there. Not enough though. Hurry it up! Hurry up! Sizzling! Oh, it's sizzling. That's beautiful. Personally, I think that looks incredible. I mean, all this is avocado oil and butter in here. And then my oven's preheated right now at 400. I want to broil it, so I'm going to toss some more butter in there, let that melt down, and then I'm going to put it in the oven for like 6 minutes for medium. Time. Use the same bowl for the asparagus. I'm just mashing with the fork. Potatoes are done. I'm literally just going to wait. Usually, this is where I would put a little bit of milk, butter, maybe a little bit of garlic powder, salt, pepper, and mix it up. But I don't have any milk, so we're gonna treat it like baked potato, which means I need butter again. I always forget that I keep needing to cut butter. That should be enough. Boil it for 4 minutes. Chives on the potato. I would add garlic powder, but I've been eating so much garlic the past couple of days, I kind of just want a basic potato. No way, I dropped some. Oh, I'm pissed. I need more butter. I keep forgetting. So annoying. I always forget that I keep needing cutting butter. Ah, foggy glasses. I can't see. I can't see! I always take a risk with my asparagus. I never drain them in like a strainer. I just kind of pour the water out and pray that they don't fall out. Salt. I just mix those around in the pot because I'm lazy. Move this knife. Alright, so here we're at right now. I'm trying to let it marinate for a little bit longer because it's only been 5 minutes. I'm gonna take a pic now. I know I'm gonna cut it. I can't cut it yet. You're supposed to let it rest for as long as you cooked it. Alright, time to cut the steak. Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh my god, stop. Hell yeah. Oh my god. I'm just ripping it apart at this point. This is gross. This is what I'm eating. Nobody judge me. I'm clearly not very good at this.
Hold up. Let him.
I'm trying to get a decent pic. Is that easier for you guys to see? Alright, I tweeted it. I tweeted it! Absolutely. Secret sauce, nobody tell anybody about this. What is it? Canola oil. It's so good. It's canola oil. Alright guys, I'm gonna go eat my food now. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Thank you for the channel, suckers, so much, everything in between. Thank you for vibing with me while I cook. This has been another episode of Cookingcxt. This one was a little bit more simple. And I'll see you guys in a little bit.